Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. Today we have Infiniti 2015 Q50. Here, the car. And as usual, we know that those cars, we have, as long as you have engine and you're driving your car, you may get transmission problems. This transmission, the valve body was no good. And the valve body, it looked like this. This is the valve body. As you see here, the whole unit. Inside here, this is the part number that, as you see, 00987064. When you buy it, it's coming completely from the dealer. And inside here, there is a piston and hydraulics and relays and valve, you know, like they open to make the oil change. And here, this place here, as you see, this one here, this is the safety neutral switch, this piece here. It shows where the shifter is. Okay, now, when you change it, let's see, do we need to program it or do you need to initialize it? We're gonna work on this car. So I'm gonna go inside. Be sure you have your internet and all your stuff. I'm gonna turn the key on. Start the car. Okay, this shop for my friend Tony. He's a very good technician in automotive technology. He knows what he's doing. Let me answer this phone. Yeah, I have a check engine light on.
Yeah. Okay. I think it
hold on, please. Hold on. So now the check engine light is on before we go crazy. Okay, let me check first. Let me call you back. I'm kind of busy now. Assalamu alaikum. So now we're gonna go to this. Before we go crazy, let's go to diagnosis, transmission. Maybe he asked me to know what car is it, but let's go first. Check engine light is on. Okay, I don't see anything here, which is good news. I gotta go back to my engine. Did I check engine on transmission first? Let me go back again to be sure. Maybe I checked engine. So Ahmad, hello? Okay, Alaikum salam. Alhamdulillah. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Grand Vitara regular, Khalid. Grand Vitara regular.
There is nothing on the engine. I'm gonna try on the transmission. Okay. So now here we have output speed sensor. This is 6 time. We are not sure is this the past, the present, we are not sure. So what I'm gonna do is I will just go delete the code, erase it, close. We don't need anything, I don't know, but let me go down to work support. VIN registration. Let me see if it's supposed to have a VIN. Yeah, it has. This is a VIN. You don't need to put it. And write data before replace ECU. Saving data. Idle air. Let me go now to check something. Please stay with us. Okay. I don't believe we're gonna do anything here because everything is being written on this data. Let me see. And this is what's in the engine, not in the transmission, yeah. Which is good, no? Transmission, engine, computer, all the same. I don't believe we need anything. What was the code before? What was the code before?
It was
This-
output speed sensor.
Output speed sensor, okay.
Your phone won't stop ringing, Mohammed.
I want you, yeah, never stop this one. You just, okay. We're gonna leave this one now like this. Can you drive it around the corner?
Yeah.
You can disconnect the charger and leave everything there. Then we can go with it. Before I see the code coming 6 times. I don't believe now we have a problem like that anymore. So let's go. You changed even the computer also before? The computer was replaced?
No, that's a different.
Okay, let's go.
That's our row.
Let's go. No problem. Okay. You can bring it. Yeah, bring it in. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Okay, now this one here is done. Thank you for watching Best Car Fixes. I really appreciate your support for my channel, and I do my best to get all the information that I can. If you want to get those tools also, you can get. If you are specialized on the Infiniti and Nissan, this tool here, it will help you and it's good. If you are not specialized on Nissan and Infiniti, that's a different. You know, G sensor calibration, to retrieve logging data. I don't want to do anything here. I believe 95% of those cars, they already come program it and things are good. Okay, sometimes you want to check if there's an update for the computer. That's a different story. You have to go into programming and program the transmission unless if you have a problem. If you don't have a problem, you don't need that one. Here we have all the system. You see here you have 1, 2, 3, 4 page 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 28 computers here. And now if you go back, I'm gonna cancel this. If you go back here, 28 computers. Now I'm gonna go make right plus 28, plus 28, plus 28, plus 28, plus 28. No, plus like 16 or 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 14, 15. Now, 75 computer plus 15, 90 computers, but not all those computers are related to this car. Some cars, they have it. This is all the icon for Nissan. 70 computers. But you choose what you need. You choose what you have. You know, like DAST1, DAST2, lane camera 2, HIV battery if the car is hybrid. You know, like this is where EMCM, high beam assist, third CAN gateway, audio arm, airbag 2, vehicle data transmitter, electric VTEC if the car, ICC DAS2, ICC ADAS2, maybe there's another one also, 1. If the car have it, it will come up. You look at the data, You look at the information, you compare chassis control, AVM, BSW buzzers. Each one has own information, you name it. But when you specialize in one car, you know how it works, and you're gonna have like this one here. This car doesn't have it, that's why it come no communication. But let's see this one, ADAS2, if it has it or not. This is only information. With the good tools, wiring diagram, information, you're good to go. With a good connector, you will be good. Please subscribe, share, and like. And if you have any problem, feel free to ask. Okay, we already done with this one here. I have nothing to say, just say thank you very much for watching, visiting my channel. This we learn from here, get the right tools. Does the 2015 Infiniti Q50 require a computer flash and update? I don't believe so. Some of them yes, some of them no. You will have the right tools. We're good to go. You know who is the best technician who did this guy here? This tested Andre. Thank you, Andre, for your fixing this car the right way. And see you in another video. Please subscribe, share, and like. Muhammad Harun Idris.